Now we join Freddie for another round of beautiful begonias.
Hi, I'm Freddie from AT Nursery and welcome to my world of color. Begonias have been around for ages, and this easy-to-grow annual does well in a variety of conditions. Provided with light shade, rich well-drained soil, enough water and plenty of fertilizer, and you will be rewarded with stunning flowers and foliage. With so many different shapes, sizes and colors, begonias are perfect for those difficult areas which receive shade and some sun. Begonia Sprint has green leaves. Flowers really well during summer, and it is an annual. It is the most uniform begonias on the market and is available in gorgeous single colors and combo colors in shades of pink, red, orange and white. Begonia Bossa Nova gives us bright, bold colors. This beautiful annual grows up to 40 centimeters tall, 50 centimeters wide and looks amazing in large containers or hanging baskets. Begonia Funky is a showstopper with single, double and semi-double flowers on the same plant. Gorgeous in hanging baskets and patio pots. These are wonderful for adding colors to combination plantings. Prune plants to maintain the desired size and shape. Pinching plants back increases dense, bushy, new growth. Begonia Nonstop is a vigorous tuberous begonia with masses of pretty flowers in a range of colors including red and yellow, flowering through summer into autumn. It grows well in sun and shade and is perfect for growing in pots. Begonias perform best in warm environment, so planting them after there's no longer a chance of late frost will allow them to thrive. Be patient after planting them. Begonias take a bit of time to get going, and you usually won't see a lot of growth until the summer heat kicks in. This plant practices self-cleaning, meaning there's no need to remove or deadhead all blooms during the growing season. Don't forget, we've made it really easy. All the information you need is on the label. Remember, in good times and in bad times, flowers bring you moments of joy.